Hello students, my name is Ruchika and I welcome you to Success CD's Education, CBSE Class 12th Psychology, the board exam pattern and the structure of the question paper. There will be a theory paper which will carry 70 marks and a practical which will be for 30 marks. So I'll discuss both of these. I'll tell you the weightage given to the different topics and the design of the question paper. This is available on the website of the CBSE. Here you can see the unit-wise breakup of marks. Unit 1, that is variations in psychological attributes, will carry 9 marks. Self and personality will carry 10 marks. Unit 3, that is meeting life challenges, will carry 7 marks. Unit 4, psychological disorders, will be for 10 marks. Unit 5, therapeutic approaches, will be for 7 marks. Unit 6, that is attitude and social cognition, will be for 8 marks. Social influence and group processes, that is Unit 7, will be for 7 marks. Unit 8, that is psychology and life, will be for 6 marks. And Unit 9, that is developing psychological skills, will carry 6 marks weightage. In all, the theory paper is for 70 marks and a duration of 3 hours. This is the design of the question paper. The theory paper, which is for 70 marks. Questions based on remembering. There will be 3 learning checks for 1 mark each. There will be 2 very short answer questions of 2 marks each. There will be 2 short answer questions of 4 marks each and 1 long answer question of 6 marks, totaling to 21. Questions based on understanding. There will be 4 very short answer questions of 2 marks each. There will be 1 short answer question of 3 marks. 1 short answer question of 4 marks and 1 long answer question of 6 marks, totaling to 21. Questions based on application. There will be 3 learning checks of 1 mark each. There will be 1 short answer question of 3 marks and 2 short answer questions of 4 marks each, totaling to 14. Questions based on high order thinking skills. There will be 4 learning checks of 1 mark each. There will be 1 question of 3 marks, totaling to 7. Questions based on evaluation. There will be 1 question of 3 marks and 1 question of 4 marks, totaling to 7 marks. This is regarding the practicals, which are for 30 marks. The practical file which you will prepare will carry 10 marks. The viva, which is on the case profile, and the practical will be for 5 marks. The 2 practicals, you will get 5 marks for conducting the practical and 10 marks for reporting. Thank you for watching this. And we have videos on other subjects also. Do subscribe to Success CD's Education.